Pinpoint Weather 12, a severe weather alert.
Still looking at additional rainfall on top of what has fallen already, and clearly the heavier amounts have been up in Providence County, but more rain tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon as well. As we take a look at Doppler radar, and the intensity is not like it was this afternoon, but still we have high impact rain that's moving through the area, and it will come down heavy at times this evening, overnight, through the morning commute. It will extend into tomorrow afternoon as well. It's a slow-moving weather system, and it's the reason why the flood watch continues through at least tomorrow afternoon. I want to show you this map one more time because it's pretty much a Doppler radar footprint as to where the heavier amounts of rain fell today. I mean, it's still raining, but clearly, notice as you get south of Warwick, the southern part of the state, Washington County, southeastern Massachusetts, not nearly the flooding rains as what occurred across inland areas. Now, this is Route 295, 95. So this is the 95, 295 split in Warwick. Now, this is Route 95 in Providence, Thurber Ave, Route 10, Route 6, and then extending through Scituate and Cranston as well. This swath of yellow, orange, and red, anywhere from 3 to 7 inches of rain is the reason why we had this significant flash flooding in this area. But there's more rain to come, and it extends as far back as upstate New York and Pennsylvania, and even out towards Connecticut. This is all tracking off to the east. It'll continue overnight and through tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. Now, the watch, the areas in green, flash flood watch terminology means potential possibility of additional flooding. Not all locations had flooding today, but the potential is there if it's shaded in green. Does not include the Cape and the islands, and that is through tomorrow afternoon. In Providence now, it's actually a light to moderate rain. The visibility is much better. Before this afternoon, it was like being in a car wash. It was just sheets and sheets of rain coming down for multiple hours and the flash flooding. Temperatures now that are in the 60s in most areas right now. More rain tonight through Tuesday. Watching smaller rivers and streams, specifically the Woonasquatucket River in Centerdale. That's in North Providence. There's minor flooding on that river right now. So far, the Patuxent and the Blackstone are doing okay. We'll watch those closely as well. Drier weather midweek, meaning Wednesday, is that precipitation on the satellite and radar composite still well to our west along what we call a stationary front, just a very slow moving system, and it's why we're going to keep the wet weather going through most of Tuesday. When we step you through the forecast this evening and overnight, the rain continues. The yellow and orange indicates downpours at times. 8 o'clock in the morning for the morning commute. This is a widespread solid rain. Kids heading out to school as well. This is tomorrow afternoon, still raining. Tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock for the evening commute, rain heavy at times. It becomes lighter by 11 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then much better weather on Wednesday. But it's a widespread soaking rain tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Localized flooding still possible during the morning commute, and into the afternoon hours allow for some extra travel time. Temperatures in the afternoon upper 60s to lower 70s. Bay forecast, no surprise here, with poor visibility and some of that heavier rain on an east wind at 10 to 20 knots, and clearly not a good beach day tomorrow. 7-day outlook, a little lingering light shower Wednesday morning, but drier, a little bit of sun in the afternoon, and the rest of the week is looking good right on through the upcoming weekend. Brighter, drier, and milder. Still getting rain and still some high impact issues as far as travel or basement flooding or flooding in your yard, some smaller rivers and streams, so we have to be careful.
Not a good beach day and not a good day to go to the zoo.
That's
Roger
right.
Williams Park Zoo is also closed tomorrow. They'll be back open on Wednesday.
Yeah.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up next.